600 project is a combined project between Kent County Council and a number of the districts in Kent, and also Medway Unitary Authority. The project aims to install an electric vehicle charging network across the whole county.
This project will enable us to have an additional 127 units, complementing the existing 34 we already have. So that's 30 additional sites across Medway, and really pleased includes 2 of our country parks as well.
We're pleased to have Connected Curb as a partner because they had the ambition to match ours, which was about doing a whole network and not just picking a few sites that they thought would be commercially attractive. They've committed to do the 600 with us.
Connected Curb was chosen through a regular procurement process, which all councils have to go through. However, through that information exchange as part of the procurement, it became very clear that you had strong environmental core to your service delivery. Really pleased that you've got recycled materials as part of your units. Coming from a waste background, that means a lot to me, and it helps us all to do our small bit to help with the climate agenda.
At Kent County Council, we're trying to make it easy for people to do the right thing. And one of those things is moving to electric vehicles. One of the barriers to people making the change is being anxious about whether they'll be able to recharge their vehicle.
It's really important, obviously from the climate perspective, and this part of the country, it's got an okay network, but it really needs a really good, strong network, and this project will hopefully help deliver that.
We've done the hard work, Kent County Council and Connected Curb. We've got the structure of how this will work. It's a model that's easy to replicate. The districts are providing the spaces in their car parks. Connected Curb are providing the charging points, and then there's a revenue share. So it's a great public-private partnership, and Kent County Council did the facilitation. So it's ready as a blueprint for others to use.